If you're a small business owner right now and it feels harder than it did a few years ago, you're not imagining it. Costs are up. Customers are more price sensitive. Competition is everywhere. So why are some businesses still growing? Here's the real shift happening in 2026. It's no longer about who works the hardest. It's about who manages cash flow the smartest. Reason number one, small businesses struggle. Overhead creep, subscriptions, payroll, software, marketing. Expenses slowly rise while margins shrink. The fix? Audit your expenses quarterly and cut what doesn't directly increase revenue. Reason number two, no recurring revenue. Businesses that rely only on one-time transactions feel every slow month. The companies winning right now have memberships, service agreements, retainers, subscription models. Predictable income creates stability. And the third reason? Poor pricing strategy. Many business owners are afraid to raise prices, but inflation already raised your costs. If your value increased and your results are strong, your pricing should reflect that. The businesses thriving right now are focused on stronger margins, smarter systems, predictable revenue, not just chasing more customers. If you want to stay profitable in today's economy, focus less on volume and more on efficiency and positioning, because in this market, strategy beats hustle. If this helped you, subscribe for more real business insights.